individual at mind, body and soul level. It helps a female to come out of any kind of womb related difficulties, hormonal imbalances or difficulties that would have given rise to complicated pregnancies, or where there would have been grief, sorrow or emotional imbalances faced by a feminine being. This highly benefits each of those individuals who has menstrual flow difficulties or who has PMS difficulties or who are trying to become pregnant, yet they are unable to do so because of some or the other womb related imprints. This, being a gifted program, has existed in the mystics of the universe from ancient years, but it is reconnecting back to the source for the females because of the rise in the difficulties of feminine health issues. In the past, whenever I have worked with lot of cases, feminine cases related to difficulties, the children and the women have experienced tremendous healings, like mothers who have difficulties with children about non-conception and being fertile, yet they are not able to conceive. After undergoing womb healing program, they have benefited with natural pregnancies. And in cases of mothers whose children are disabled or having conditions with autism or speech disorders, after having undergone the womb regression and healing through the divine womb healing process, the children have benefited in major healing, including speech being restored fully and completely. And for young females looking for right understanding and faithful partners, this is a major program because it helps them to heal their own difficulties of the prior lifetime womb issues and gives them very good energy in the present feminine flow, which helps them to attract positive soulful right partners in their life. This also enhances the good energy of hormones in a female, making them more happier, helping them to release depressional phases, emotional discomforts and non-alignment with partners or families. Thus, this is a complete holistic course, and in the entire 3 days of this program, an individual is activated with invocation of the 7 major goddesses, and this is given to the womb area of the individual, and thereafter there are series of processes that is carried out in the full day workshop and program that help them to completely heal their inner core. After the 3-day program, the participants are also needed to carry out some self-healing exercise, and also tools are given to them, and the process is completely taught till the outcome is fully accomplished. In the tool as the key giveaways, we have the Divine Womb Healing Kit that is given to the participants. In the Divine Womb Healing Kit, we have the crystals that is energized. These are womb crystals which are energized with the 7 goddesses, and of course we have the 7 goddesses codes which needs to be applied daily according to the benefit that the individual is seeking in. So, the 7 goddesses whose codes are available is Goddess Epona, then we have Goddess Isis, then we have Goddess Ishel, then we have Mother Quanin, and then we have White Buffalo Calf Woman, and then we have Mother Mary, and these are such the 7 goddesses, and along with that we have finally Mary Magdalene. So, these goddesses are carriers of secrets of the womb healing. They have always existed in the mystics of our life, and we have got to know about them through the scripts or through the books or the ancient rules that we have followed from the generations. But these are very powerful goddesses, and when we are applying them into our consciousness of our womb and feminine energy of healing, we get blessed with tremendous healing benefits. Not just the hormonal imbalances gets benefited, but a woman is able to completely restore their health and emotions to the highest standard. Their spirituality towards the connect of life increases and improves, and generations to come attain the benefits. So that's about the divine womb healing. If you are getting drawn towards the connect of this program, you can reach out to us and would look forward to connect with you towards your ultimate healing. Thank you.